Good evening and thank you for joining us for KREM 2 News at 11. I'm Mark Hanrahan.
Welcome everyone. I'm Regina On. 9 months after the Babb Road wildfire ripped through Malden, uncertainty remains. Residents are still trying to figure out if and how they can rebuild, and local leaders are trying to figure out how they can help.
Now, there has been some progress for many. It just hasn't been enough. As KREM 2's Joshua Robinson tells us, tonight they took their questions and concerns to Congresswoman Cathy McMorris Rodgers.
Nearly 9 months after the Babb Road fire destroyed the towns of Malden and Pine City, some work has been done to help restore the town of Malden. A big announcement tonight, for example, that a new post office is in the works. But also tonight, the town of Malden joined with Representative Cathy McMorris Rodgers and other state lawmakers to address some of the biggest concerns of the day.
First question was about the need for showers. I didn't expect that there would be such a need for showers, but if people are living in trailers, they need a shower, and we may have a solution for them on that.
I spoke with McMorris Rodgers tonight ahead of another potentially devastating wildfire season looming over all of us, to ask what's being done to help towns like Malden across the state to survive the upcoming fire season.
Being prepared for the next fire, that's something that we're always working on, and we can make sure that both at a state and a federal level that there's a focus here on Malden and Pine City.
But for every state proposed plan and every sign of hope, walking these same devastated streets has left some people in Malden feeling hopeless. I spoke with some of them today and asked McMorris Rodgers how she plans to restore that hope.
It's really hard. On the one hand, there's been a huge amount of work done, but yet there's still a lot of work to be done. And I just want those people to know that they're not alone. There's a lot of support at all levels of government, but also with nonprofits and others that want to help rebuild this community.
Tonight's meeting concluded with Malden Mayor Dan Hardwood saying he was grateful for tonight's conversation, also saying that the people of Malden should prepare for a 4 to 5 year period before their town can call itself restored. For KREM 2 News, I'm Joshua Robinson.
And that legislation that Joshua mentioned, which is being proposed by McMorris Rodgers, is actually called the Malden Act.
It stands for making assistance for local disasters equal now and aims to give more support to rural communities if a request for federal individual assistance is denied.